Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying versions and capturing logs so you can reproduce the bug. This avoids chasing intermittent errors later. Once done, back up the place file and all server scripts to a separate folder and label them by timestamp. Next, open Roblox Studio, enable verbose output and developer console, and run the private server locally while recording the console. Make sure to note exact error messages and the sequence that triggers the bug so you can target the root cause. You now perform focused debugging to identify the faulty component. Start binary script isolation. Disable halves of server scripts to quickly narrow the offending code path, then inspect that script for improper event names or missing filtering. Once isolated, trace remote event calls and confirm replication ownership is correct because networking mismatches often cause private server-only failures. Finally, audit asynchronous data store calls. Ensure awaits are present, and add exponential backoff retry logic to prevent race conditions that only appear under private server timing. You finish by implementing the minimal, documented fix and incrementing the build number so players get the update. Then deploy to a fresh private server instance and run the full QA checklist twice, exercising the original reproduction steps and edge cases. Make sure to monitor logs for regressions and confirm stability over several resets. If the bug persists, revert to the backup, attach the repro logs and step list, and file a precise bug ticket so you or a teammate can continue troubleshooting without losing context.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.